Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. US-based transportation platform Uber started operations in Jamaica today. Now, the company earlier this year stated its plans to expand into the local market. Javon Keys reports.
US-based ride-hailing platform Uber began operation in Jamaica on Tuesday. The company, valued at some $95 billion is offering service only in Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Catherine. Since about March this year, the company has been seeking drivers. We spoke to Gordon Swaby, who attempted to utilize the platform in Kingston Tuesday afternoon.
No, I'm very, very happy about it. I know that right off the bat, people have security concerns. But, as far as I see it, you're being armed. The customer is being armed with information that I did not have before. I requested the driver. The driver was on his way. I actually did not go through the entire process. But from the point of requesting it to having him on his way, it was a pretty seamless process.
He did try to hail another taxi, but he was told no driver was available. A number of Jamaicans have also indicated challenges creating Uber accounts using their Jamaican numbers. We put the concern to Uber's local media liaison, who said the company is looking into the issue. But when news broke that Uber was coming, there was outrage from local taxi operators. With the player now in the market, those concerns intensify.
This is a surprising piece of news, and we are not knowledgeable of Uber being in Jamaica. And we are very, very concerned about this because it is sending a very strong signal that things happening in our country without the knowledge of persons who are involved in the sector.
President of the Route Taxi Association, Sophie Campbell, however, is not as concerned.
Any industry that you operate within, you have to expect that at some point there will be competition. We just have to brace ourselves for that. One of the things, though, that I would like and I'm hoping is that the proper due diligence was conducted by the Transport Authority, and also that the same rigors of getting a road license is the same thing that was meted to the Uber drivers coming in, and not let it be an opportunity for robots to start operating.
We sought a comment from the Transport Authority, however it refused. Uber is currently based in 10,000 cities across the world. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
A jump in the price of electricity and ground provisions pushed up inflation by 1.2% in May. That was the biggest single-month increase in prices since December and reversed a general decline in April. The result was point-to-point inflation reaching 5% for the last 12 months, which was well within the Bank of Jamaica's target range of 4 to 6%. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $150.93. The Canadian dollar sold for $122.83. The pound costs $211.86, while the euro closed at $184.81. Now, the JC index declined by 2,455 points today, while the junior market index gained 11 points. Among the winners were Express Catering, AMG Packaging and Paper, Tropical Battery, 1834 Investments, and Epley 7.5% preference shares. On the losing side were CAC 2000, Indus Pharma Jamaica Limited ordinary shares, Margaritaville Turks Limited US dollar shares, Siboney Group, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.